January 9, 2013, the 3 mosaics going to the Seattle Central Community College exhibit are all out now. And it's they're not immediately lined up next to each other, but it's interesting seeing them all more or less together and vertically. This is only the second time I've seen this one vertically since I completed it. That's the Orthodox Jew under barbed wire, Olkusz, Poland, 1940. This is the Mira Steiner work, young Croatian Jewish woman drowned by Ustashi fascists in Croatia in 1942, if my memory serves. And here's the one I just completed, multiple amputee awaiting deportation, who is seated outdoors awaiting transit to the Nazi death camp at Chelmno. There you have it.